Good day, everyone. Today I'll be showing us how to earn daily on Anchor by playing games and watching video. So this is a pro account. As we all know, the means of earning daily on pro and silver accounts are different. So this is it here. The ACH card. Currently I have $7.5 there. And for pro, the daily earning amount is $1.5. So you scroll down and click on the Anchor game. So because this is a pro account, my robot has done the work for me while I was away. So the only thing I have to do now is watch video. So once I click on claim reward, to redirect you to
Your data plus your TikTok
where you
account
watch the
equals money.
video.
Monetize your TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account easily and get paid for it with Anchor. This country is hard enough for
So after
everyone
doing
at this
that, you
present
can
moment. So you
just,
shouldn't.
I think that should count already. Go back here and go back. So you should come here, you should click on your menu and click on recent activities. Click on load activities. See